Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
Welcome to Bangkok! Just kicking off my day here, walking on Koh San Road. It's daytime, so it's kind of chilled. No ping pong bar, no happy ending massage yet. But yeah, what a crazy place. I'll take you out, let's go see some temples, ride some bikes, and maybe explore a little bit later tonight. Hello! Hey! I don't want to sit. Around about 95% of all Thai people associate with Buddhism. So there are literally Buddhas everywhere. So where I'm going to go now is to one of the world's largest sculptures of the Buddha, that is the reclining Buddha. When in Thailand, it was the Thai dude. Apparently street food is the way to go. I'm a little bit scared I'll be shitting my pants tomorrow, but hey, let's try some street food.